Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you? How are you? I am fine. What is the copywriting job earn money of online platform? What is the copywriting? Copywriting is one of the most carefully teams one of the for mass marketing and advertising. Copywriting concern out of words is either writing and spoken market and ask to get people taken the action, offer the readings and hire teams. Just for example, copywriting is the crafting and blog sales, website, and get people free things and ready Google, etc. Google blog post and website, etc., etc. The tide of good copywriting, the lot of people, the copywriting job, the how to lot of earn money, the lot of people, the lot of description, the copywriting. You can search on Google. Just Neil Patel is the copywriting description. What is the copywriting? Are the make and difference from over type of content creation. Okay, copywriting, social media ads, social media campaign, social media sharing. A lot of copywriting jobs on online platform. The details of copywriting. Copywriting is the act of writing text known as copy of the purpose and advertising and marketing in building, editing, and process to completing content that the grabs and attention of their targeted audience. The communicate a message effective and ensure them to take a specific action, such as a marking, purchase, the sign up and service, or subscribing and newsletter. Copywriting can be taken various forms, including advertising, sales letters, website content, email campaign, social media post, product description, and many more. The primary goal of copywriting is the engage and parses ready to our views, take and discover action, unlimited areas, sales and generate leads, effective copywriting, open various techniques. The effective obtain the various techniques, search and historical and emotional apply parses line, language and defense, understanding of targeted audience in aims highly, then benefits unique selling the person product service, address customer needed and pain and point that create search and urgency. The good copywriting groups and beyond the merely description, there are the product and service, etc., etc. But copywriting is a very simple work. You can the search on copywriting. What is a copywriting? Copywriting, a lot of people, the lot of system and device the copywriting explanation is the search on Google platform. Copywriting is the process, the writing process, the making and promotional materials is the motive people taken some from action such and make a purchase. Click on link, browse increases the schedule and consideration. The copywriting type of work, I as like search on Google, the copywriting as like type of copywriting, type of copywriting. The Google provide the type of copywriting. Uh, Top 10 copywriting system, B2B, business to business copywriting, B2B copywriting, help computer market product and service the business, brand copywriting, content marketing, direct responsive copywriting, email copywriting, publish share copywriting, SEO copywriting, social media copywriting, many more. The love of copywriting. Type of copywriting, the lot of type of copywriting. 10 copywriting, B2B copywriting, and lot of brand awareness copywriting, content marketing, content marketing, and direct response in blog. Lot of SEO writing, lot of type of writing. You just search on Google the copywriting type of copywriting. The 10 type of copywriting, the what are different type of copywriting, Google explanation. Marketing copywriting, this is the type of copywriting that peoples are the most familiar with. Social media copywriting, brand awareness copywriting. The level of 5 copywriting, step 5, the are the 4 cases copywriting. What is the copywriting? Style of writing, type of copywriting, 9 types of copywriting. Everyone, you can search on Google a lot of system that make money, very easy and very simple system. And the copywriting job, B2B copywriting and brand awareness copywriting, content marketing and social media, email marketing, lead generation, etc., etc. Type of copywriting jobs, just search on Google. Type of copywriting jobs, provide the Google lot of type of copywriting care job we need to know. Copywriting agency, do job, copywriting 101, unlimited copywriting job. How to because of copywriting. Top 10 copywriting. I can suggest and first time copywriting, B2B lead generation, very important copywriting. Second, content marketing. Third, brand awareness. Fourth, email marketing, SEO, and social media. Number one, the very very easy and simple work on social media copywriting as like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc., etc. Social media copywriting, very simple and easy copywriting. Post schedule and targeted hashtag, niche, relevant hashtag, tag, and post design, etc., etc. Copywriting what? The social media. Search on Google social media copywriting. Copywriting 100 trends, unlimited goals, and copywriting list. What is the copywriting? Number one, create and completely handle links right from the fresh events, no new targeted audience, get respect the customer, 18 on valuable person, your valuable proposity, be clear and causing positive behind ADI mood, overcome customer object, delivers into an audience. Every details and every details this website. Okay, the social media copywriting job, social media copywriting job. And the what is the social media copywriting job, the provide on Google. Social media copywriting, the message that the company you use on social media post, there is specific and this work and completely and recent and according to social media. How? Because social media copywriting work, lot of how do we start in social media copyright work. Number one, tailor content specific, be specific, use active voice, use hashtag specific, make post very realities and etc. Copywriting of social media, 7 tips, 10 advanced social media copywriting best picture trend, 10 copywriting and social media copy. Very easy and simple work social media copywriting post. You can just type in the social media copyright post, social media copywriting post and hard tricks. Facebook. Facebook number how to complete text and social media channel. Facebook. The let's on to Facebook, man, woman, age, etc., etc. Copywriting. The online audience and Facebook is content the highly specific Facebook. Number two, Twitter. Number three, LinkedIn. Number four. Instagram. Five. Number five, great, you right, copy. Number five, Snapchat. So you have any skill, the copywriting, very simple work and easy. Your any skill development, copywriting work, just click Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc., etc. Finally, suggest and Fiverr marketplace. Finally, suggest marketplace copywriting. Copywriting suggest the copywriting. Lot of seller copywriting. Lot of seller the copywriting work. The top rated seller, Fiverr marketplace. Lot of seller the copywriting. Wow. Just one or two things copywriting. Fiverr marketplace search and copywriting. Just one seller is opening. I will write sales copy for sales page, sales panel, landing page, sales copywriting. What is the copywriting, social media, website, etc., etc. And the $180, $600. Allah re Allah. The copyright jobs delivers only copyright your event. The killer question. The huge offer is copyright, custom content, before content, $300. United States of sellers. Lot of sellers offer on Fiverr Marketplace the copywriting work, to process the copywriting work, website and prints, etc. I can search social media copywriting. Okay. Social media copywriting. Just search. One seller is offered content start, the highlight help may help our social media caption, website copy, blog post, gap writing, ad campaign, process relation, product distribution, etc., etc. Social media copywriting. The lot of person, the seller, pro seller, level 1 seller, level 2 seller. I am open the 5 to 10. Wow, a lot of sellers. I will write engage the social media copywriting marketing. Okay. This offer social media, Facebook advertising. Save the including the caption social media. 5 social media post and caption is a $40 basic, $80, $110 top rated seller. Wow. Second, I will effective manage your social media. Okay, $80, $35. A lot of seller. The worldwide people, the social media copyright content. I will be social media marketing manager and content creator. Okay. So friends, very easy and Upwork copyright content available. Upwork, just search Upwork copywriting content. Upwork. But Fiverr is a very easy and simple copywriting for social media, etc., etc. Social media copyright design and social media design and social media copywriting, another copywriting, and very easy and simple work copywriting job. You can practice and try to in this copywriting job. Best of luck. You can earn the copywriting job. Thank you. Best of luck. Thank you. Your comment, share, and like. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Your share, comment. Goodbye.